They're really cute together.
Mm-hmm. It's funny when they look in the camera or at it. It's like, hi mom, hi dad.
Exactly. This is just this way. Yeah, this is just flipped over.
Huh. Sweet.
You're gonna eat her. Weep spring fairy.
We'll just lie here a minute.
Yeah, exactly. Let's just lay here and chew on each other's faces. They're so cute together. They love each other. What are you doing, Alfredo? You got her.
Oh.
I get her ankle.
It's cute because they play and then they bite and then they're like, okay, kisses and stuff like that.
Exactly. Yeah.
They are a real life couple.
That's so cute. Oh, Alfredo's even on his back.
That's so cute.
Kegrit! Grand Kegrit! They get so happy with each other. I think Ladybird prefers to play on her back.
Yeah, she does. It's so funny. Isn't that how the big Daisy is too? She does like that fall with her neck. Her neck completely like
I know, just like over sideways. Tessa has done that too. In the past.
Oh yeah.
Tessa looks like she just goes boneless. Like it's hilarious. Arr, arr, arr. Ferocious puppies. Get her. And get him. Yeah. They're so cute. Oh, look at us.
See if I can get it
Let's
better.
just lie here and chew on each other. Yeah.
That's cute when it's on a good angle.
Yeah. I get you. Bouncy, bouncy. You guys playing Sharky Face? You got vampire teeth. I could watch these guys all day.
I know, they're so cute.
Huggy face. Oh, kisses.